folks. I don't got much new this week because, well, there was nothing exciting. Plus, I didn't need anything. I actually didn't order anything off Amazon this month. I'm still waiting for my milling machine vise, which the post office lost. USPS, please hurry up and find my goddamn vise. So anyway, but I do have another vise to show you. So check this out. Let me lower this here. Get this out of the background. Get that out of there. What's this? It's a metal plate. This is that. Okay. What is this? This is a Stanley number 700 corner vise. See, it's pretty cool. Paid like $12 for it. It was cheap. It basically mounts on the bench. Like, I'll show you. Go like so. Actually, wait. This bench is probably goes on here like so. And, well, actually, it probably goes like over here. It's supposed to be the corner anyway. It's supposed to be a corner vise. Not exactly using it for a corner vise. So it's like that, and you just ta-da, ta-da. Works pretty good, huh? If you can see that. Turn this on. There we go. Now you can see it better. But if you want to screw something down here, what can we clamp in it here? There we go. Let's put this over here. Let's clampy this thing. So if we want it to work on this hammerhead here, we can just kind of put it right in there like so. We could lock it in there, and apparently, from what I hear, they're handy little vices that clamp on a thing. It works great. It's a very simple design, and apparently it works. It's a little bit old. It's got some patina on it. It's the wood in here is made of that press board crap. There's two screws holding together, and if I go like this, I'll take it apart. I'll show you. It doesn't appear to have any screws busted. This was either gray or black. I think it was gray. There's like somebody painted black over the top. What I'll probably do is take it apart and just do a quick paint job. Most people just take it apart. What I've seen, the few restorations of these things on YouTube, it's fairly quite simple. Just take the paint off of it, polish up the rods, and add it to the pile of stuff I already own. But it doesn't seem to be abused in too many ways, just gonna say. There's 1, 2, 3 screws, and a very cheap, that like weird like MDF shit that just turns like fuzz. The screws themselves, where's my mini screwdriver when I need it? There we go. Appear to be workable condition. Yeah, they appear to come off. The screws are not fused in there, which is nice. First time ever. Let me take it apart. I'll just show you. Just a little screw in here. One. And apparently there's two little, like, what are they called? Snap rings holding the rest of it together. So, see, it's just 3 little screws, 3 little piggies. And this wood comes off. See? It's that, I don't know, this looks like it's been replaced at some point. It's a little crusty and rusty in there. There's that and that. I'll put that there for now. And we got this side here. I'll show you. Like I said, I got this cheap. Frick, use this one. Come on, there we go. Take that one out. Oops, don't want to drop that on the floor in here. Take me a month to find the goddamn thing. There we go, there's that one. I wasn't planning on doing a total breakdown of this stuff, but you know what? Why not, right? Have some fun. This comes off like so. I am not sure how this rod gets. Oh, is there a pin in there? Don't know. Is that a pin? Looks like there's a pin in there. Nope, that just looks like a... Yeah, there's like a pin right here. There's this rod, which I don't know if it... This has got a little like snap ring in there holding it together. It just holds it from going round and round and round you go. Now I'm curious how you get that rod out. Is there a pin right there? Is there a way to get the pin on this side? Or is it this side? Well, if there is a pin there somewhere, it's not showing itself. Let's go like this. Let's explore. Is that a pin? Nope. Well, apparently I guess there's a pin here. Or is that just a frickin' paint chip that's... No, just paint chip, not even a pin. I was lied to. Doesn't look like a pin there, does it? That doesn't look like a pin. But anyway, that's pretty much it. That's the inside of it. It's a Stanley number 700, and it's made in the USA. I don't know if you can see this in the glare. See the whole thing. Turn it slowly. Easy clean. Drop in the vapor rust. Take the paint off with a wire wheel, and I don't know if those little, see, I'm assuming in here there's like a little ridge thing. There's probably a rubber pad or something in there. That's what I'm guessing. So anyway, that's the, what do you call it? That is the, what was it? Stanley number 700. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to probably do a video and clean it up. So thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, subscribe, do the whole works there.